This is the New York Bureau of Investigation launching an Amber Alert system for the state of New York. A child has been abducted from the town of Kinderhook and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Marcy Lane Valady. She's a 16-year-old white female standing at 5 feet 7 inches tall, 130 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes, last seen wearing a black crop top, black and white plaid pajamas, and a gray and black bow tie on her hair. Abducted by Elliot Pauling, a 45-year-old white male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 180 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a white 2017 Nissan Frontier with New York commercial license plate of 17298MC. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.